Assess the nails for surface breakdown, checking under the extension edge to ensure the nail is securely attached. If needed, remove gel color using a 100-180 grit file or an E-file with a coarse bit on medium-high speed, reshaping the nails as needed. Following the contour of the nail surface, reduce existing gel product by 30 to 50% based on apex placement and nail growth. Once the existing gel has been reduced, prep those nails.
To provide the best wear experience, apply Bondex. For a HEMA-free surface that's a bit easier to remove later, apply Gel Color Super Base Base Coat.
Pick up a small bead of product on one side of the brush. Then place the bead in the cuticle area and gently nudge the product towards the cuticle and from side to side, leaving a small free margin. Guide the gel from side to side while pulling forward to create the apex and leave a larger free margin at the sides. Use the corner of your brush to guide the gel down the sidewalls, still leaving a small free margin. Review the structure of the nail and use the corner of the bottle brush to perfect the apex and shape. Use a detail brush to refine as needed. Cure for 30 seconds in the Starlight lamp. Remove gel residue with a nail wipe saturated with NAS 99. Freshly applied builder needs a lighter touch and will file easily using a 240 grit file and padded buffer. Refine the shape with a 240 grit file, followed by a 240 grit buffer or an E-file. Cleanse the nails thoroughly with NAS 99 cleansing solution. Finish the nails with your choice of gel color shade and super gloss top coat. Cure in the OPI Starlight for 30 seconds with each coat. Cure in the OPI Starlight for 30 seconds. Remove gel residue with NAS 99 cleansing solution. To finish off your service, apply a drop of cuticle oil to the base of each nail and massage it in.